Hello again, everyone. We have had a few questions since the last video that we produced, so here is some additional information for you in making a reservation. One of the questions that has been asked is, how do we get to this page, our personal reservations profile page? Well, to get to this reservations screen, you get there from a link that is on your club's website. I'm going to show you a few examples of what that might look like. At the Boca Grande Duplicate Bridge Club website, you can see there is a link right here to reservations, or if you go further down on their page, it says for reservations, click here. When you do that, you have the options of making reservations for specific games for this club. So here I am to the reservations splash screen. You would just type in your ACBL number or private club number, select your game, your session, and hit submit. And then that will bring you to this personal reservations page. A second example is the Villages, which is in Florida. If you scroll down on their website, you will see these options for making a reservation. Again, if you choose the game here for which you want to make a reservation, you will again come up with this screen. You would type in your ACBL number or private club number, select your game, your session, and hit submit. If you do not know where that link is on your club's website, please speak with your club director or manager, and they should be able to point it out to you. Another question that we have had is, what if I want to make a reservation but I don't have a partner? Well, you can make a reservation with a TBD partner. Once you have gotten to your reservations profile page, you would go in like you normally would to make a reservation. I'm going to select April 17th. I don't know who my partner is. I'm going to select Reserve, Modify, Find a Partner. And then instead of actually typing in someone's name, I'm going to type in TBD. And as you can see, it comes up with this option. I will add that. I am in an afternoon game, regular session. I don't care about my seating, so I hit submit. My reservation is being processed. And now it shows me that my next reservation is for April 17th. With my partner TBD, to be determined. That is confirmed again down here on this line. And if I go in on select reservations date, I can look down here and see that I have a reservation for April 17th and my partner is to be determined. Another question has been, how do I change a partner? Well, let's say that I have this reservation now for my partner to be determined. So now I want to change that because I've found out that I can play with Jay Whipple that day. So I'm going to go into my select reservations date. I'm going to click on this reservation, which is the one for which I want to change my partner. It now shows that date. I click reserve or modify or find partner. Now what do I do? Well, now I click on this partner section right here. I click on the drop-down menu under the partner tab. And this will show me all the people that are available for that date. Or if I scroll all the way down to the bottom, it will show me who is not available because they will have 3 asterisks in front of their name. I don't want to scroll through this entire list to find Jay's name, so I'm going to begin typing his name by first name, J-A-Y. And there it is, Jay Whipple. He is available. I'm going to click on Jay Whipple. It puts his name in the partner box. I hit submit. That processes, and now I can see that I have a reservation on April 17th with Jay Whipple. I can double check that again by clicking on the drop-down menu. Again, it shows me that I have a reservation on the 17th with Jay Whipple. So that is how you will change or modify a partner. One of the other questions we have been asked is, what if I don't have an ACBL number, or what if my partner doesn't have an ACBL number? In that situation, you need to speak with your club administrator. Your club director or administrator will be able to enter data for you, and they will give you a number that begins with a # that you can use to make reservations. Some of the questions that have been asked of us are answered in the FAQ that is provided on your club's reservations page. Here is the frequently asked questions page. And as you can see, the question is, do I need an ACBL number? The answer is yes, or you need to know your private club ID, and you ask your club director to provide that to you. There is other information in here for you. Some of the questions, again, that we have been asked are here, such as, does the system allow requests for north, south, or east-west seating? Yes, but it's not guaranteed. What if I have a disability and need to have a permanent table assignment? That question is here. Does the system allow reservations for permanent specific tables? Again, your club administrator can do that for you. It is not something you will do through the system, but your club director or club administrator can do that for you. So if you do have a question, please check the FAQ to see if the answer is already there. If not, feel free to email us at help@thecommongame, and we will see if we can answer it. Thanks, and good luck at the tables.